Hi friends, let me show you this new Ninja Deluxe kitchen system. I'm going to unbox it for you. It's a really nice set. It has a lot of accessories. It has multiple functions like blending and slicing and grating and things like that. Let's open it. First you get your quick start guide on all the safety instructions. These are the first accessories that we are going to get out of the box. Okay, this is a lid for a cup. Here we have this kind of large cup for sport beverage. We get two of them. And this is the blade that you will use. Okay, it says sharp blade. So you can put all the ingredients here, mix it directly in the vase, and then you take the mixer off and you use the cup lid. Okay, so it's really convenient. You don't have to change vases or cups. Okay. Okay, this is the main mixer unit. This is the main lid, as you can see. It fits tightly in the main vase. Okay. Also, you could use it to mix any food, and you could get something. You can use it as a jar to get your food out here. Okay. Then you get the main blade, also with a warning message. It's a sharp blade. Okay, as you can see, it has, actually, there are 6 blades. So it's easy to install it, just like that. This is kind of a mixer. These are plastic blades. Okay. And this is another accessory that we're going to try later on. Okay. Now we get the kind of a food processor here. It has also a lock in the lid. You have to push this button so the lid will open. Okay. And also there are sharp blades here. Okay. 4 blades in this unit. Okay, so this is aimed to push food in the blender. But if you want to put small size food, like carrots, you can use this, just this hole, and push them with this part of the accessory. Okay, so depends on what you are going to mix or grate. Okay, okay. These are extra grating accessories. This is a grating disc. Okay, I think this is aimed for this one. And this is a reversible disc. Okay, so this side up for slicing. These are the blades for slicing, and this side for shredding. Okay, so depending on what you are going to do, you get to use these blades. Okay, and now we're going to get the main unit. Okay. As you can see, really nice. Okay. It has suction cups in the bottom, so it fits to the kitchen countertop. And as you can see, I can't lift it up. Okay. It really gets a good grip of the countertop. Okay. And it has just a regular, a large knob here. We're going to see the instructions to use it as it should be. Okay. Let me show you with the instructions, the names and uses of all the accessories. Okay. So these are single serve cups. Single serve cups. You get 2 of them. Okay. And these are spout lids. You get one for each of your cups, spout lids, okay? And the Pro Extractor Blades assembly, okay? This will be used to blend whatever you want to blend in this cup, okay? You close it like this, and you put it in the blender like this, okay? It will be locked in, so you can turn it on and it won't go away. You have to push it a little bit down and turn it so you can get it out, okay? Those are these ones, okay. Then, let me tell you, this is the total crushing pitcher. This is the main pitcher, okay? You put it like this and you turn it like this and you hear that click. It's locked in so you can start working, okay? Of course, you want to have the lid installed also, okay? So that way you can work your food, and same as the other ones, you turn it a little bit this way and it will loosen up, okay? So this is the pitcher lid, okay? The pitcher lid and the stacked blade assembly, okay? Well, then we have some other parts, let me tell you. The precision processor bowl, okay? This one. The precision processor bowl lid, this one. And the chopping blade assembly, okay? Perfect. Now we have the reversible slicing and shredding disc, reversible. You use it one way or the other, okay? And the grading disc, okay? This is the spindle. Let me show you how you are going to use the spindle, okay? Instead of this, you're going to put the spindle here, and you want to put the disc you are going to use. The grating, slicing, or shredding, okay? Let's suppose we want to grate. Let's suppose we want to slide, okay? Slice, okay? This way, whenever you're putting the food through this hole, it will be getting sliced by the slicing disc. So the sliced food will be in the bottom part of the total processor unit, okay? Precision, no, the sliced food will be in the precision processor bowl part, large part here, okay? So, well, it's great. We have all these accessories, all these functions, the processor bowl, the crushing pitcher, the one-use cups, and all the accessories to work with them, okay? So, let's try it. You can change here the kind of food you're going to process, the kind of food that you are going to use, and the unit will understand. If you put this large vase, it means that you want to make some smoothie or frozen foods. If you use the one-use cup, it understands that maybe you want to puree a smoothie, frozen or extract. That's like kind of the strength, okay? Or just manual, okay? And if you install the processor unit, okay, it will give you more options like chop, dog, puree, also, okay? Or if you are going to use a disc, remember? These kinds of disc, okay? So the unit will understand what's in top of it, and it will give you the options to work with them.